If we look at, let's say, the past 10 years, 20 years, it is quite clear that we will need more batteries, better batteries with higher efficiency. We are facing already a lot of issues with the materials that actually result from batteries that are already dead, that failed. So we have the waste of batteries, where also we need to come up with some solutions to source something out of the waste that is actually produced. We need to find new technologies for battery materials like lithium, sodium, and then maybe other sources for batteries. And so to cope the demand, or to balance the demand of energy that we need on the world, basically, we need better batteries, because we can produce a lot of energy, but we have hardly the capacities to actually save this energy for the time when we actually need it. And NMR can help us to find and optimize existing technologies and components for batteries and other energy storage materials, of course, as well. But also, NMR will surely be helpful to actually learn something about what about the black mass, what about the waste that comes out of batteries. Yeah. So because if a battery died, it still contains NMR sensitive nuclei that we can use to learn something about what is inside this battery. Yeah. And what is not, and how can we get it out, for example, and how can we recycle it in some sense. Yeah. So this is why I think the technique is very powerful now, and will be and maybe become even more powerful in the future.